Okay, so this is the analysis for the week of 22 September 2025. Today we are analyzing Euro USD. I think everyone remembers this move after the rate cut, where all the bullishness of the rate cut news were already baked in the price. So when the news came in, it has created this long wick and started to go down. This is called sell the news event. So today, what we are looking for is how this trend will continue up. First of all, I will draw a horizontal line over a rounded psychological number that seems to be very close to where the price is now, and that could be or will be 1.17000. Secondly, we will draw a trend line to justify where we are on the chart today. So basically, this is our trend line here. We are still in a bullish move, so clear. Okay, and the second thing that we will do now is draw our Fibonacci tool. If we draw our Fibonacci tool from this low here, recent major low, to the high that was created, and then what we can find is that this trend line here coincides with the 0.786 fib level. However, since we have a rounded psychological number of 1.1700, we do expect the price to visit it, so go a bit below 78.6% fib level before potentially having the trend going up again. So do I place my my buy order here with this stop loss of 56 pips and I take it all the way up? I would prefer to take my trade on the trend line itself, which is right there, because my stop loss is already somehow covered. So my entry will be somewhere around here on the trend line. I will give, since this is a swing trade, I'm already giving my trade a 70 pip breather. I will just take them down, maybe, or take them up to around 100 pip of breathe, and I will keep my take profit at this level that was reached during the rate cut news, and then I will have a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. In this case, what I will be waiting for again is for the price to come here to the 78.6, maybe just go a bit down before starting the move up again, because overall Euro USD is still bullish. To just confirm more, if we go to the DXY and we look at the XY, what we can see here is a downtrend. It's clear here, right? So we are in a downward slope, and what I can see here is that this range here that has been created throughout the days has broken down, and after it was broken down, it's definitely normal for the price to go up again to revisit the range. And if we put our fib level from the most recent major swing high here, we see that the price has already reached the 78.6 level and rejected it once on the 4-hour time frame, and then the last couple of hours on on Friday the price was ranging, although it is positive, but I can see clearly that the most probable direction of DXY is to continue its downward slope in the coming days and weeks. So going back to EURUSD, this will be my entry for next week. I will have to see. I will have to just try to monitor what can happen. And one important thing that I would like to explain to you, I do not enter the minute it comes here. So just to put a note, quick note, I do not enter the minute it reaches my entry level. I, however, wait for a candle confirmation. This candle confirmation can be a bullish engulfing candle, can be a pin bar, can be whatever you want. Any candle confirmation that can give me the confirmation that from now on the candle will go up, sorry, the trend will go up. This for me will be my entry. So now some people will ask, why not taking GBP USD as well? I have my analysis on GBP USD as well. However, when we want to decide, when we analyze the XY and we want to decide whether we take Euro USD or GBP USD, it's always worth looking at Euro GBP on the daily, and we see that Euro GBP on the daily is up, so it's extremely bullish. And in this case, this means Euro is stronger than GBP USD, and in this case, the Euro USD, the probability of Euro USD doing the bullish move is much bigger than the GBP USD, at least in terms of pace. Okay, so this is my analysis for next week. I hope you enjoyed it and see you later.